Previously on Switching Gears.
Adro kit, which includes the diffuser, the side skirts, and the lip.
You feel it. It goes right in.
Alright, the diffuser is pretty much the same thing. It shows you where to put the bolts. There's some cutouts on this actual thing that you put the bolts, but the extra step is you have to put the 3M tape alongside of this end. So we're going to do that first. I'm applying it towards the edge. And then we're going to do the bolts and nuts. This is actually bolts and nuts, is not like the side skirts. So yeah, this one has an extra step. Like I said, this 3M tape needs to be applied, and then it's bolts and nuts all the way around. It's not like the self tappers from the side skirts and a little bit of the front lip. There's no self tappers on here. Apparently, I'm not exactly sure yet, but I don't see any self tappers.
Over two.
So 2 self tappers on the corner? All right, well. Let's see what we got in this kit. I'm gonna just dump everything here. Let's see if they gave us any self-tappers in here. Okay, I see 1, and 2, 3, and 4 self-tappers. I figured as much. That's how much they've been giving for the other ones as well. So they give you this adhesive promoter so that you can put it anytime you put 3M tape. I recommend you add this on every part where you need 3M. It does promote to stick, and the reason why I know that is because I did it with my spoiler, which is also from Adro, and it's still on after 3 years. So all I had was 3M tape on it, and then this adhesive promoter. All right, so that's in, and we're going to start to take this tape off.
Let me do it first.
Oh, how can I do it last? I have to put it in, no? All right, well, I'll do the self tappers and see where I add the self tappers in.
Except for like fitting, you know, final fitting.
But where would the self tappers go?
I think they go on the corners. Where's the instruction?
It doesn't say anything about self tappers on the instructions.
Yeah, it does. Look at the corners. There's like 12. See?
I see 2 self tappers.
Yeah, on each corner.
It seems like they want you to put the self tappers and not touch those cutouts. Let's see here. Like that. Like this, right? I mean, I'm in all the way. All right, well, let me put one here. All right, that one's put. But I gotta take this tape off.
Yeah,
No. I don't think that can go down after. See? Nah, I can't. Look. Will it be able to go down? I think I gotta take the tape off. All right, well, I think I am gonna take the tape off. So I put 1 screw, and now I'm gonna take the tape off. And we're gonna line it up and put it in. Ready? And then you're gonna hold that side. So we're gonna line it up. All right, I'm in. You're in, I'm in. Put one all the way in the other end. No, look how you are. Go look at that side. Don't look over here, look at that side. Yeah. Fuck.
Good? It's good, right? So they give you one more self-tapper, so I'm gonna just add 2 more self-tappers here on these corners. Put it on this corner. Do it on the other corner. So if you guys could tell, what I did over here is I added another self-tapper right here, even though it didn't ask for it. It asked for a self-tapper down there, but I added another one over here, and then I have the adhesive over here all the way around. And then I'm on top of that, I'm gonna put bolts. I'm gonna put bolts on it on top of that. We're looking good. I need to jack up the car though, I think. Why? Cause I can't fucking get this thing in like this. I could get it in here. This I got it in there. That's one hole. I don't understand why they gave you so many things. And then this is the other hole. Where's the other hole? This is the other hole. This is the other hole. That's for this thing, which is a torque. Right? Is it the same thing? Is it the same screw? Yeah. I don't know why. I don't know what this is for.
I think you gotta use like one there, one middle, one there.
I got nothing in the middle. No. This is an Allen key. I should have the thing for it. I think so that people don't steal it or some shit. Even though they could definitely steal it still. Alright, well I got it in there, but over here on these anchor points, I can't get it on these on the corner anchor points. How can I get the anchor points? And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's a lot. And mosquitoes are starting to get me, dog. They're coming out. Damn, this carbon fiber on white looks just amazing. Yeah, I need to pick this car up. I need to jack it up. What am I supposed to do? Or maybe drive over a stone. You put that one close to my wheel? Matters, bro. All right, perfect. Now when that shit falls on me, it falls on me with conviction. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Let me get 4. No, I got it, my bad. I'm just gonna put 4 and 4. I don't think this is crazy. I don't think this has to get crazy. Cause I already got 4 self-tappers. And then I'm gonna have 4 nuts, so it's gonna be like 12 altogether. Wait, I got 16 altogether. That's not 12, I got 16 altogether, my bad. On just the diffuser alone, that's pretty good. Alright, we're almost freaking done. My hands are chopped up. My legs are chopped up. It really sucks in New York City, y'all, because the only time that we can actually work on our cars is mostly spring, summer, and fall. And then summer is just extremely hot, but it is what it is. California people have it easier because y'all could just work on your cars all year long, and we kind of have to wait the winter out because it gets break. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. You guys can see, I'm putting one right here. There's a self-tap right here, so I'm gonna put the rest right here. 3 of them. I don't want to do it here because there's some clips on here, so I don't want to do it here. So I'm gonna start it right here, one right there, and I'm gonna go one here, and I'm gonna go one right over here.
4 and 2 self tappers. Shit ain't going anywhere.